TracDat tutorials. Primary navigation menu. The first section we will discuss is the primary navigation menu. The primary navigation menu sits at the top of every page. It consists of three interactive parts: the reporting unit drop-down menu, the assignment alert, and the user menu. The reporting unit drop-down menu. The reporting unit drop-down menu is located to the right of the TracDat logo. To access the unit or units you are assigned to in TracDat, click the arrow in the drop-down menu. This user is an administrator and has access to several units. By clicking the scroll bar, you can scroll down or up to see any of the available sections. If your account has been assigned access to several sections, you can also access a section more quickly by searching for it. To search for a unit, click in the search bar to the left of the magnifying glass. Then type the unit you are searching for. In this example, we will search for geology. We are given two choices. The unit highlighted in dark blue is your current selection. Once we click on it, we now have access to the geology unit homepage. The assignment alert. The Assignment Alert button is located to the right of the Reporting Unit drop-down menu. It is a white bell-shaped icon, accompanied by a red circle with a number inside to the right of it. This function allows you to view the status, due date, and particular assignments associated with your account. If the assignment function is used by your unit, the number of alerts you have will be displayed in the red circle. When we click on the assignment alert, we can see that there are three columns. Status displays whether an assignment is open or in progress. Due displays the due date of your assignment. And assignment displays a summary of details associated with this assignment, such as the course, PSLO, methods, results, etc. When you click on the assignment alerts, a menu will display the status, due date, and any assignment associated with your account. In this example, the user has one alert. As we hover over each section of the assignment alert, we are given the same summary of details for that assignment. It tells us the assessment type, the assessment plan, the target level of achievement. To quickly access this assignment, click on any section for this entry. The assignment will then open in a separate tab. This particular assignment relates to a PSLO entry. If you make any changes, be sure to save your work by clicking on the yellow Save button to the right of the screen. If no changes need to be saved, simply exit that tab. If you are still viewing the Assignment Alerts section and wish to exit, click on the Assignment Alerts icon once more. The User menu. The User menu is located to the right of the Assignment Alert. It is a very minimal section. It displays Welcome EID Username. This drop-down menu has two options, About and Log Out. When you click on About, it displays the TracDat version and copyright info. In this example, we can see that this is TracDat version 5.2.03. If we click on OK, it will exit the About menu. When you go back to the User menu and you click on Log Out, it will sign you out of TracDat. This concludes the tutorial. If you have questions or comments, please email Marcus Jackson, mjaxo4@austincc.edu, or Ron Johns, rjohns@austincc.edu.